In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to smooth skin in Luminar Neo. Whether you're polishing a portrait or preparing an image for social media, the process is simple and, when done right, wonderfully natural. We'll focus on clarity and subtlety so the result looks flattering without losing the character of the face. Let's walk through it step by step so you know exactly what to click and why. First things first, open your photo, then open Luminar Neo. When your image is visible, switch into the editing workspace by clicking Edit. You can also press the E key as a shortcut. This takes you out of the catalog view and into the panel where all the creative tools live, which ensures we're adjusting the image, not browsing. You'll see the tool set on the right, organized into categories designed for different kinds of edits. Next, find the Skin tool. On the right-hand side, look for Portrait tools. Inside that group, choose Skin AI. This module is purpose-built for smoothing skin while preserving important details like individual hairs, eyebrows, and eyelashes. It uses AI to detect skin areas and leave edges and textures you want to keep, so features remain crisp even as the complexion becomes more even. That way, you can enhance skin quickly without painstaking manual masking. Now it's time to smooth the skin. Use the amount slider as your main control. Slide it to the right for stronger smoothing. Slide it to the left for a lighter touch. Aim for skin that looks clean but still real. Watch how pores, freckles, and fine lines respond as you adjust, and use that as your guide. If the face starts to look waxy or plastic, ease the slider back. Subtlety almost always looks more professional, especially for close-up portraits. Because the tool is intelligent, it targets skin and avoids hard features like lashes and hair, so you can focus on dialing in the amount rather than painting masks. A few quick tips as you set the amount. Different lighting and skin textures call for different intensities, so there isn't one perfect number. Make small moves, then pause and judge the balance between smoothness and detail. On high-resolution images, tiny changes can have a big impact, and your adjustment is non-destructive, so you can revisit the amount anytime during your edit. That's all there is to it. Open your photo, open Luminar Neo, click Edit, go to Portrait Tools, choose Skin AI, and adjust the amount slider to taste. With just that, you'll get natural, flattering skin while keeping important details crisp. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your editing.